Streets in San Juan City have transformed into a massive water-fueled celebration for the annual Wata Wata Festival in honor of St. John the Baptist. While the day was filled with vibrant floats and water dousing or basaan festivities, city officials enforced strict safety protocols, which Gab Humilde details in this report.
The residents of San Juan City are happily celebrating the annual Wata Wata Festival today in honor of the feast of their patron saint, St. John the Baptist. San Juan City Mayor Francis Zamora led the traditional basaan or dousing of water along Pinaglabanan Street, which was designated as the water splashing zone. The celebration features the beautiful floats depicting the life of St. John the Baptist, who baptized Jesus Christ in the Jordan River. The news team met Diane earlier along with her co-workers joining in the fun of the annual water dousing. She said it is her first time participating in the basaan activities.
Masaya siya, nakaka-enjoy kahit maaga akong gumising kasi prepared pa ako.
The basaan also featured performances from some DJs as well as singer Maki.
Ang lahat ng ating selebrasyon, lahat ng basaan ay within the basaan zone lamang at yan po ay sa kaba ng Pinaglabanan Street sa pagitan po ng Endomingo at Pigibara Streets. So ang binanggit kong kalyeng ito, ang Pinaglabanan Street ay sarado ngayon pagdating sa vehicular traffic. So ito po ay ang ating designated basaan zone at kung gusto nyo makisa sa ating selebrasyon, gusto nyo makipagbasaan, gusto nyo mag-enjoy, pumasok po kayo ng basaan zone.
Meanwhile, the mayor assured those visiting San Juan that residents are only allowed to splash water within the designated basaan zones. Splashing water outside the designated zones is strictly prohibited, and violators will face a fine of 5,000 pesos or imprisonment of up to 10 days. Throwing dirty water and harmful materials such as water bombs, plastic bags, bottles, ice, and similar objects is also strictly not allowed. Forcibly opening vehicles, climbing or shaking passing vehicles, entering vehicles to throw water, using unauthorized fire trucks, and using high-pressure water sprayers are also forbidden. The LGU also reminded parents and guardians of minors caught violating the ordinance that their children will be brought to the City Social Welfare and Development Office to undergo the appropriate intervention programs of their office. Gab Humilde Villegas for The Nation.